Today, we learn how to waterproof the basement. So what's about to happen here?
We're going to drill our weep holes.
Uh-huh.
That's going to allow the water to come out of the block, and the water can't get out from the bottom.
You called it a weep hole?
Yeah.
Like weeping.
The water's going to essentially weep out of that hole. You're going to drill in the mortar joints on each side of the block and then in each cell.
Okay.
So essentially you'll have 4 to 5 holes. You'll feel the resistance after it goes. That'll let you know that you popped through the actual cell.
Learn something new every day. So again, just so I understand, the moisture that drips down on the inside of the wall has a place to
exit and travel into our system. Our moisture barrier will eventually go the whole way on top of this, so then those holes will be behind that, so it won't be able to shoot out over top of the flange. It'll be right behind it, and it'll shoot it right into the holes of the system.
What's the name of this system?
It's Aqua Stop basement gutter.
Do we need another one? Is that good?
Give me 2 more.
Oh,
All the way down.
that one felt a little soft,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, man, there's a real difference. Like when you're in hard concrete that hasn't been impacted by water.
Yeah.
Well, it feels like hard concrete that hasn't been impacted by water.
Now we get to put up the moisture barrier. So we just unroll this. So we'll just pull it down the whole way, line it up with this one. Take your tappet, push it in, then you just hammer that in. Make sure it's leveled up, and tap it in. You'll do the same thing for the 2 bottom corners.
Awesome.
First, we got to take this bag of gravel, dump it down here in our trench, level it up a little bit.
Couldn't really do the job without gravel.
No. We brought down a whole skid of gravel today.
How much is on a skid?
About 64 bags. So we got our basement gutter in here. Gutter will go up here, and then we'll gravel in front of it. And then down here, we'll gravel up underneath of it and make sure it's flowing the right way. Then you'll just gravel up to it to make it flush. Gravel's gonna hold it into place.
Get the idea.
Yeah.
You're gonna run this all the way around the basement.
Yeah. We'll take that the rest of the way to the pump. Moisture barrier will go the whole way, and then we'll be ready to concrete.
Oh, you're pouring concrete on top of all of it?
On top of all of it.
Oh, when does that happen?
That happens when everything is complete. When the moisture barrier is up, all sealed up, all graveled.
In other words, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes.
Not today.
Not today, no. We go along each wall, the whole way down, wrap every corner, and then that trench drain is gonna run this whole entire wall, and then that'll lead the whole way down and go to the pump, and then it'll get pumped out.
You know, anyone who doesn't believe civilization's held together by pipes ought to just spend some time underground.
Yeah.
So what I learned from Tyler is there's a lot of jackhammering, there's a lot of shoveling, there's a lot of dirt and rock, and then around the perimeter right against the wall is the gutters. And then the concrete comes in, and then you can go home.
Yep.
Yeah, let's do that. To see more of this, go to groundworks.com/Rowe and subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.